Viveka, why don't you start? Tell me, please, who are you? Where are you from? And what I like to ask is, why are you a LinkedIn wizard? How did that happen?
Right. So yeah, my name's Viveka von Rosen. I'm Chief Visibility Officer and Head of Personal Branding at Vengreso. We're a partnership of 4 LinkedIn experts that came together and said, hey, instead of competing with each other, let's all come together and deliver awesome digital sales transformation and social selling packages. I live in beautiful Loveland, Colorado, right there. It's actually a green screen, but that is where
Don't let on to all your secrets.
I know, I'm letting all my secrets go. I'm all about transparency. I've been teaching and training on LinkedIn for, oh my goodness, over 13 years. I have a couple books out by Wiley and on Amazon. And yeah, I'm just an advocate for LinkedIn because I think for serious business professionals, it's the safest space to be. And I think it's the space, the social space that's the most aligned to how we do business or how we did business anyway, through referrals and through community and through engagement. And so that's why I particularly like it. Also, it seems to change less than Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. And also you don't have to be 12 to be popular on it. So.
You're good at it. What do you mean by safest, Viveka?
Yeah, I think because a lot of people jump into these other social sites, which are most definitely a blend of personal and business. And the problem is you get on Facebook, let's say, and you're connected to your grandchildren, you're connected to your investors, you're connected to all kinds of people, and you might share something that turns an investor off or turns a prospect off because you're just on Facebook doing your Facebook thing. Same thing with Instagram, same thing with Twitter, same thing with all of the social platforms out there, with the exception of LinkedIn. And of course, when you're on LinkedIn, you have the expectation that you're on there for business. You're not on there to share funny cat videos or math quizzes. You're on there for business, and there's the assumption that other people are on there for business too, which means people spend less time there because it's not as sexy and not as interesting. But when they are on LinkedIn, they're business focused, and they're business focused usually within the business timeline of Monday to Friday, 8 to 6, because who works 9 to 5 anymore? And they're there with an expectation that any engagement will be business related. So if you reach out to connect with someone, or if you comment on their their marketing materials or on their content, there's an expectation that this will be a business conversation, as compared to on Facebook or Twitter, where who knows where that conversation might go.